Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung anong mensahe ang makukuha natin. Kung meron mang sikreto o tinatago, either you o yung person mo, Virgo. Heartbroken. Bottom niya is date. Okay. Sinasabi dito, heartbroken is deeply hurt and sad, feeling lost, grieving and despair, and breakup. Okay. Yung bottom naman niya is a date. So, get best or get back out there, meeting someone new, setting a date, or date online. Okay, something to do with pag kakaroon ng time to meet other people. Bakit? Kasi heartbroken ka na no? Dito, kung kanino mang natin ngayon sa pagbasa na to, ito yung nararamdaman mo no? Yung tipong nasa loobin mo na hindi mo ma-share totally. Siyempre, deeply heartbroken ka at malungkot, no? Which is understandable kasi kung heartbroken ka, no, talagang masakit yun, no? Napakalungkot at masakit. Yung pakiramdam mo ba na parang hindi mo na naiintindihan kung ano na susunod o anong mangyayari. Kung tipong alam mong ito na yung tao na mahal mo, na gusto mo, tapos biglang nawala, para bang you feel talaga na yung loss, yung feeling of loss na yung nawala na something of value sa'yo, yung mahalaga sa'yo, biglang nawala na lang. Or it could be something na kung grieving, it has something to do na if it's caused by death, kung bakit nawala siya, na heartbroken ka talaga, na yung sumama yung loob mo, is something na hindi naman natin talaga makakontrol, but it is part of life. Okay? And yung breakup is, of course, yun yung pinaka-common na nangyayari kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng sakit sa damdamin, no? Heartbroken. Is because nag-split kayo. Nag-away kayo, nagkahiwalay kayo, hindi na kayo nagkasundo, at yun na yun. No? That's it. Goodbye na. Kaya siguro sinasabi dito na maybe it's about time that you find another one, no? Makipag-date ka. Go out there. No? Ano mo rin yung sarili mo. Kung wag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo kasi binibigyan ka pa ng opportunity to be happy. It is just trying to tell you na itong dating ka-relationship mo is not the one kasi nagkahiwalay kayo no? Kung gaba yung purpose niya sa buhay mo, natupad na. If it meant to teach you a lesson, then ayun na, nakuha mo na yung lesson na yun. Take it as it resonates, Virgo. It could be you or it could be your person. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Yung jumping card, we have the 9 of Wands. We have the King We have the Queen of Swords. We have the Queen of Wands and the Page of Cups. Yung bottom niya is the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, Virgos. Nine of Pentacles is all about being single and very independent. Kita mo naman na kayang-kaya na kahit wala yung isang tao na yon sa buhay mo, na okay ka pa rin, no? Lalo na financially, okay ka pa rin kasi you work very hard, you have a very good career, marunong ka mag-ipon, you know how to invest your money para mag-grow pa siya. So, in other words, talagang kayang-kaya mo nga mag-isa, no? Yung independence is there. Kaya, you are enjoying to be single. Okay? And with the Six of Wands, you feel na successful ka, no? Which you are. You are successful. Kasi, kita mo naman, no? Yung lahat ng gusto mo, nagagawa mo, lahat ng bagay na you wanted to acquire, nabibili mo. And being successful, totoo yun, no? And with the Two of Pentacles, medyo may pag-aalilangan ka nga lang. I guess maybe it has something to do with yung ano ba yung binabalanse mo dito. It is your career towards your personal life. Usually ganun eh. 'Di ba? Yung personal na buhay natin as against sa ating career o ating work. That is what you're trying to balance. Kasi sa pera, career-wise, I think you have it, no? Kayang-kaya mo eh. Pero pagdating sa personal life, medyo doon ka sumasablay ng konti. Kasi alam naman natin na pagdating sa trabaho, yung dedication mo andoon, and it requires a lot of your time. Maybe in a way nasa-sacrifice yung relationship or personal life, no, because of the work. Okay, so Nine of Wands. Kaya medyo kung gaba you put up that wall, no, very defensive ka. You make sure you guard yourself na kung gaba protektado. Nobody can really get into you ng ganung kadali-dali. Because you are protecting something. No, maybe your career, your work, your time, at saka yung puso mo, no, your love. Kaya hindi basta-basta. It's not easy to, sabi nga nila, to knock down a wall from a Virgo. Kasi nga man, napaka protective or defensive mo. Now, with the Queen of Wands, this is actually that energy na sinasabi na because of having that feeling of success, I guess it has something to do with being a Queen of Wands. Kasi nga, itong Queen of Wands ito is somebody na determined, very attractive, na ginagamit yung kanyang physical appearance, yung ganda o yung kagwapuhan niya, yung kanyang charm, no, to be able to help in a way lift yung kanyang career, no, yung work. Kasi especially if yung itsura mo is really more helping you towards, like if you are in sales, di ba? Yung mga sales people, they need to be good looking or may magandang personality. Kaya parang makatulong, 'di ba, sa pagbebenta ng anumang produkto o serbisyo na kanilang ino-offer. And I guess this is what you're trying to embrace, no? Na magkaroon nitong energy na to of the Queen of Wands. This is a fire energy, okay? Something like an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius energy. Kaya, kung gaba, yung action, no? You really do put a lot of action to this. You put your creativity on it para lumabas talaga yung galing mo. Andun lahat. And you're just, you're trying your best to enjoy life as it is. Kasi pagdating sa sabihin natin na after work, yung mga tipong ganon, or socializing, you really are quite fun to be with, no? Masarap ka kasama. You try your best to enjoy, go with the flow with everybody. Now with the Page of Cups, this is really a small message. A small message of love that is being sent or received, okay? Either pinadala o natanggap mo. Kaya, yung feeling ba na merong gusto, okay? May gusto sa'yo, or may gusto ka sa isang tao. This is sending that message. Maliit pa lang, kasi umpisa pa lang siya, kung gaba parang bagito pa lang, no? Or it just starting, kung gaba parang on the first level stages pa lang siya. Okay? We have the Star and the Three of Wands. So, yung message na natanggap mo dito, Virgo, parang because of that, parang nangarap ka, no? You wish for something na kung gaba nabuhay yung pag-asa na, wow, merong pala akong nagugustuhan or merong nagkakagusto sa akin. Parang feeling mo kasi parang napakalayo pa nito mangyari kasi nga kung gaba nakasubsob ka sa trabaho and everything is really focused on work, you seem to have no time for dating, no? Walang panahon na talagang makipag-socialize to a person that truly either you like or they like you, or you both like each other, no? May attraction, in other words. But you keep waiting, no? You keep waiting. Hintay ka lang. I guess nga yung message na to na dumating, or it might be something na yung message would have come from a fire sign. Meron siyang either Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius sa kanyang chart. And that message, no, a small message, nag-trigger sa'yo to feel na, wow, baka ito na nga yung hinahanap ko. No? The one that I've been hoping and praying for, or looking for, or waiting for, ito na, dumating na siya. That's why you keep waiting, no? Hintay ka lang. You're, in other words, hindi lang pag-iintay, but you are also looking forward, no? Dun sa mangyayari sa inyo, dalawa. Kasi somehow, I think you got intrigued and na-touch niya yung puso, and that's why I think you, in a way, have liked the person a lot. We have the Ten of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Six of Cups. Kakaintay mo, naging parang burden na yung pakiramdam mo with the Ten of Wands. Medyo parang mabigat na, no? Mabigat na dalhin. Kasi hindi madali mag-intay. It is not an easy feeling na waiting for something you don't actually know what's gonna happen. Or basically yung timing, no, when it's gonna happen. Mahirap yon. That's why meron dito tayong Four of Swords, and it is saying na why don't you take a rest, no? Take a breather. Kung gaba, pagpahingi mo muna yung isip mo at yung puso mo o yung sitwasyon in itself. Kasi parang nakikita mo na walang nangyayari, no? Nothing's happening. Nothing is moving. Kasi bakit? You just, di ba? You keep waiting. You keep looking forward. Wala namang movement. So what are you going to do? Wait lang? Siyempre hindi, di ba? Hindi practical yon. This person that you are waiting is somebody from the past. Maybe this person is your twin flame. Maybe this person is the one for you. Kasi hindi ka mag-iintay ng ganito kung sa palagay mo na hindi worth intayin siya. There must be something, this person that you felt very special, kung bakit parang okay lang sa'yo, sige, intayin ko siya. I'm willing to wait. Doon sa habang ginagawa mo yung pag-iintay, pagbabalik niya, kasi this is a card of telling you na this person will come back, babalik siya. And this person is somebody from the past. Okay? Kaya nga sinasabi, pahinga ka muna sandali. Huwag mong iubusin yung energy mo, kakaintay. Just go on, continue with your life, because one day babalik siya. Or it could be you, no? Babalik ka dito sa person na to. Babalikan mo. Okay? Kasi baka it is also saying na kasi since it is getting to be a burden sa'yo, na kaya nga sinasabi pahinga mo muna kasi yung timing is off. Hindi siya yung perfect timing, gaba. Kung gaba mas mabuti na tignan mo kung kailan yung best time to do this. So, tignan natin kung ano yung sa future. We have the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Six of Wands, and the Death. Okay, so ang sinasabi dito, Virgo, or yung person, yung cross-watcher natin, you are given the opportunity to look into other options. That is why maybe you are asked to, sige, mag-date ka muna habang you're waiting for this person. Maybe you will see other opportunities, no? Because matagal na yung pag-iintay, no, with the Seven of Pentacles. And somehow, because of that, medyo you felt that you are parang naka-tie up dito sa tao na to. Or you felt that you are parang committed na dito sa tao na to. Okay? And you wanted to be successful sa relationship na to. But for it to be successful, it needs change. Kailangan ng pagbabago. Okay? Yung pagbabago na yon might come from you or might come from your person. Take it as it resonates. Okay? Kasi yung sinasabi ditong change or transformation, maybe sa nakaraan, in the past, yun yung naging problem, no? Yung baka merong hindi nagawa, hindi nasabi, hindi natupad. And that is what is being parang advice here. Baguhin yon para magtagumpay. No? Para magtagumpay, kailangan may pagbabago. Okay? In other words, para if you are waiting for this person na bumalik, there needs to be a change happening. Okay? Para hindi ka totally heartbroken. Kasi waiting, in a way, no, itong being 10 of Wands is truly a heartbroken feeling, no? Yung nakakasakit sa damdamin na maghintay at magbigay at maging, alam mo yung pakiramdam na pabigat. Ito yung maghintay na maghintay. Kaya pabigat. Okay? Kaya, ano yung masasabi ni Angel dito? Let's ask Angel kung ano yung advice niya sa'yo. Remember who you are. Archangel Michael, you are a powerful, loving, and creative child of God. You are very loved. Yes, di ba? Tandaan mo kung sino ka. Mahal ka ng Diyos. Ikaw ay anak ng Diyos, kaya mahal ka. Okay? What other advice po? As advice? It says here, service. I feel good when I can help others. Yep. This is you, Virgo. That is basically your energy. So you continue just helping people, no? Continue your work. If your work requires something that of help to other people, then continue doing that. Napakaganda nun. It's a very good karma for you. No, and maybe while doing that, things will change. Andito yon, yung pagbabago na yon, para mas maging successful ka. Okay? And hopefully with that good karma, that person will come back. It could be you or it could be your other person. Okay, Virgo? May babalik and start all over again. No? In other words, hindi pa to ending. So don't get so depressed. Because I could see something na mauulit o may mangyayari pa sa future. Okay? So you just remember that you are loved. Remember who you are sa mata ng Diyos. And continue doing good things to other people. Make that change when this person comes back or before it comes back. Make that change kasi alam mo may babalik. Somebody will come back. Okay? Para maging this is what you want. Maging successful yung relationship. Okay? So, kung kanino man Virgo ito na nakuha natin yung energy ngayon, maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na to. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo ng malaki. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.